basis of these regulations. What is the basis of these regulations? The committee, United Nations, the committee of experts sitting under the United Nations, and now the both committee of experts. One committee is the SCOE, it is a subcommittee of experts sitting under the United Nations, and second one is IAEA, it is International Atomic Energy Agency. And now the both committee of experts working, and then information passed to account. What is the responsibility of subcommittee of experts? They are only handle the dangerous goods regulations. And now second committee of experts, it is the International Authority, International Atomic Energy Agency. They are responsible to radioactive material, and the both committee of experts under the United Nations, and then information passed to ICAO. ICAO is an international civil aviation organization. They include the technical instruction worldwide in the aviation industry, especially for the safety. And then include the technical instruction, and then pass to the International Air Transport Association, IATA. IATA is a publication, the book of the dangerous goods regulation, and then pass to the local body of Civil Aviation Authority. They are pass the information about the publication. They are received from the international organization, and then pass to the local body of Civil Aviation Authority of country wise to implement what is the inside the regulation. So that is the basis of this regulation. That is the basis of this regulation. Understand? That is your responsibility to understand the basis of this regulation. It is given by the page number 1 in page number 1 in the applicability section. 1.1.1, 1.1.2, 1.1.3 and 1.1.4. It is documented of the 9284 in International Civil Aviation Organization. Thank you very much.